Best deals. 1. Grill pan. Crafted from high-quality, durable cast iron, this grill pan offers superior heat retention and even heat distribution. Its robust construction ensures consistent cooking temperatures, making it ideal for achieving perfect grill marks and evenly cooked meals. Whether you are grilling fish, frying up a delicious omelette, or preparing vegetables, its versatile design accommodates various recipes and cooking techniques, enhancing your culinary versatility. The pan features a non-stick surface that ensures easy food release and effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pot drainer stand. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining. Stand neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodle strainer. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Strainer pot. Perfect for storing and reusing cooking oil while saving counter space. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Container. Made from pure brass, ensuring high quality and authenticity. Storing food in brass containers can enhance the nutritional value by retaining essential nutrients and minerals. Brass is a highly durable material, ensuring that the container lasts for many years with proper care. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Apron. Shield yourself from spills and splashes with high-quality TPU material, ensuring a clean and mess-free cooking experience. Enjoy a tailored fit with the adjustable back waist strap, making this apron perfect for men and women of all sizes. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Molds. Is made with high-quality and durable stainless steel material. The material of this mold is rust-free and does not tarnish with passage of time. These round baking and steaming molds are easy to clean, which can be cleaned conveniently in dishwasher or hand washing. Molds are ideal choice for baking cupcakes, muffins. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Glass jar. Made with durable heat-resistant borosilicate glass, these airtight kitchen storage containers are perfect for storing spices, herbs, seeds, dry fruits, tea, coffee, and masala while keeping contents fresh and moisture-free. Comes with secure airtight lids to lock in freshness and aroma. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Puttu maker. Is specially crafted in the traditional coconut shell shape for making authentic round puttu. Perfect for South Indian breakfast lovers. High-quality steel build made from premium-grade stainless steel, this chiritta maker is rust-resistant, durable, and hygienic. Designed for long-term use in Indian kitchens. Simply attach, fill with flour and coconut, and steam soft puttu in minutes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Strainer pot. Patent-inspired locking strainer laid. Lock it, tilt it, drain it. Works for pasta, noodles, rice, anything you need to drain. Works on all cooktops. Heavy Tripoli base ensures even heat and prevents burning even on high-power induction. Perfect for students, working professionals, and small households. Quick to heat, easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Your single pot for daily quick cooking. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Canister. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh for longer. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Container. Made from high-quality polished stainless steel, the container is sturdy, rust-resistant, and features an elegant design with deep silver lines, ideal for storing grains, flour, rice, sugar, snacks, and other kitchen essentials with ease. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Kadhai. Its triple-layer construction, from base to rim, leaves no chance of food burning and food sticking to the cookware surface. Cooking healthy food in this Tripoli kadhai is thus easier, hassle-free and without any chemicals. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Griller. Offers unparalleled versatility, allowing you to enjoy perfectly grilled sandwiches with its sandwich maker gas feature, while doubling as a bread toaster for various toasting needs. Features durable non-stick plates, ensuring easy cleaning while functioning as a sandwich griller. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Atta Kneader. 3F stainless steel bowl provides enough capacity to prepare dough for family-sized meals, making it the perfect flour kneading machine. 15-minute timer for automatic operation, providing consistent results with every use as a reliable atta kneader and dough maker machine. Non-slip suction pads offer stability during operation, making it a safe. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Saucepan. It is ideal for cooking a wide range of dishes such as pulao, biryani, vegetables, dals, soups, stews, curries and desserts. Cooking and serving in the same utensil makes good sense. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Container. Made from high quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and easy maintenance for long-term use. Features a secure, airtight steel lid that locks in freshness and prevents moisture, contaminants, and odors from affecting your stored items. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Ice cream scoop. Constructed with premium stainless steel, genuine heavy-duty tool that is strong and sturdy with no mechanical gimmicks or moving parts that can break. It resists rust and corrosion, maintaining its pristine condition even with frequent use. Crafted from high-quality PP, ensures a comfortable and secure grip. It minimizes hand fatigue, making it easy to scoop. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cooker. The 2.5 mm thick body of the pressure cooker ensures even heating. This prevents loss of nutrients and vitamins in steam. Makes your dishes tastier by preserving the natural colors and flavors. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. Supports even heat distribution and quick cooking. Very easy and convenient to use. Effortlessly cook healthy dishes. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cloth brush. Constructed with sturdy plastic and powerful silicone soft bristles for long-lasting and highly effective use in various cleaning tasks. The cloth brush has an ergonomic handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly scrub and remove dirt and stains from clothes without straining your hand. This cloth washing brush is simple to disassemble and refill. Open the rubber pad to fill the liquid storage tank with detergent, press the top to dispense the detergent, allowing you to control the amount used and save on detergent for more efficient cleaning. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Dokla Maker. Simplify your cooking routine with this easy-to-use idli and dokla maker. Just add water to the bottom compartment, place the idli trays on top, and steam until your idlis are perfectly cooked. Minimal effort for delicious results. The compact and space-saving design of this idli and dokla maker makes it perfect for small kitchens. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Organizer. Designed with flexibility in mind, the storage box features adjustable compartments that can be easily repositioned or removed to suit your needs. Whether you are organizing bulky comforters, folded clothes, shoes, or smaller accessories, the dividers let you create custom-sized sections to keep everything neat, separate, and easy to access. Crafted from high-quality, non-woven fabric, the storage box offers superior durability and long-term protection for your belongings. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Jar. Are made of high-quality glass which is eco-friendly, reusable, and doesn't contain anything harmful. The lids are made of BPA-free plastic which is strong and long-lasting. The containers are so versatile as they are dishwasher, fridge and freezer safe and microwave oven. The plastic lids are equipped with rubber rings to ensure better air tightness. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Hamburger press. Cook burgers, sandwiches, and waffles all in one compact, versatile appliance. Perfect for home kitchens and quick snacks. The premium non-stick coating prevents sticking and burning. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Iron Dosa Tawa. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron tawa is a 100% healthy cookware, Food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. Restaurant chefs use cast iron tawa to make dosa, roti, chapati for mouth-watering dishes. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Peeler. Features a sharp, durable, non-corrosive and anti-rust stainless steel blade, ensuring efficient and precise peeling of vegetables, minimizing the effort required to remove the skin from vegetables. The peeler comes with an ergonomically designed long handle with grooves that provides a strong and comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The peeler is designed for easy disassembly, enabling effortless cleaning of both the blade and the container. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Organizer. Keep your kitchen tidy with a bamboo pan organizer rack, designed with 5 adjustable compartments to hold lids, pans, pots, tawa, and kadai. The compact design of our rack allows you to efficiently store multiple kitchen essentials. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Iron pan. Crafted from a single piece of heavy gauge iron for balanced heat distribution and features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The iron construction and thick base promote rapid and consistent heating across the entire cooking surface. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Molds. Is made of non-stick material, which makes the mold easy to clean and safe for the dishwasher. Multiple slots enable the creation of a variety of frozen treats such as kulfi, popsicles, and other custom desserts. Equipped with handles for a comfortable grip and easy maneuvering while enjoying homemade ice creams or popsicles. This popsicle molds for kids is made of food-grade silicone. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Electric popcorn maker. Delivers fresh, hot popcorn in just minutes, making it perfect for parties, movie nights, or quick snacks at home. The machine uses hot oil to ensure each kernel is evenly popped, providing delicious, crunchy popcorn with rich flavor. Designed with a non-stick surface, the popcorn maker is easy to clean, preventing kernels from sticking and reducing cleanup time. The spacious lid can be flipped over and used as a convenient serving bowl. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Spice box. The airtight food storage containers using food-grade material production, fine workmanship, BPA-free, accord with daily necessities standards, beautiful and practical. Containers have 4 compartments. It can put a variety of foods together without confusion in kitchen or fridge or refrigerator. You needn't to take them separately in your cupboard. You can get it all at once when you want to get sugar, nuts, biscuits. Freely removable partition will make the food storage containers rational usable. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Stand mixer. 1400 watts powerful motor comes with 100% copper motor providing strong planetary movement for optimal mixing results. 6 speed levels and pulse function supports dough, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 3, beater within speed of 2 to 4, whisker within speed of 5 to 6. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. 6 liters stainless steel bowl and 1.5 liters glass blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family, parties or celebrations. Metal meat mincer allows you to grind meat with a consistent quality. Metal meat mincer allows you to grind meat with a consistent quality. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety in not spilling mixture. This all-in-one powerhouse drastically reduces prep time, combining a heavy-duty kneading machine, a meat grinder, and a high-speed blender into a single, space-saving countertop appliance. At the center of the mixing operation sits the massive 6-liter stainless steel bowl. The 6L capacity is an ideal sweet spot, accommodating both small, everyday family meals and large batches for entertaining, holiday gatherings, or small-scale baking operations. For baking enthusiasts, the spacious bowl can effortlessly handle the creaming of butter and sugar for multiple batches of cookies, or whipping vast quantities of cream for multi-tiered cakes. When utilized as a dough maker machine, the bowl's generous volume provides ample room for the dough to rise and expand within the vessel itself, preventing overflow and keeping your workspace tidy. Stainless steel is the undisputed gold standard for kitchen vessels. It is non-reactive, meaning it will not leach metallic flavors or interact chemically with acidic ingredients like lemon juice, vinegar, or tomato-based sauces. Furthermore, stainless steel is highly resistant to rusting, pitting, and staining, ensuring that the bowl maintains its hygienic, polished appearance even after decades of continuous use. The bowl's durability also means it can endure temperature fluctuations without warping, allowing you to chill the bowl in the refrigerator before whipping cream or egg whites, which is a crucial technique for achieving stable, stiff peaks. A secure locking mechanism or sturdy handles on the bowl ensure it remains firmly anchored to the base during aggressive kneading or high-speed whipping, providing a safe, hands-free operation that frees you up to prep other ingredients simultaneously. The metal construction of the grinder attachment is vital here. Plastic grinder components are prone to cracking under pressure and absorbing stubborn fats or odors. Metal components, typically made of die-cast aluminum or stainless steel, provide the structural integrity required to grind dense cuts of meat, including tough chuck roast, pork shoulder, and even tough game. Grinding meat at home grants you absolute control over the quality and texture of your ingredients. Pre-packaged ground meat from the supermarket is often a mystery blend of trimmings, laden with excessive fat and preservatives. By grinding your own meat, you dictate the exact lean-to-fat ratio. You can select premium cuts of beef to create gourmet burgers, or blend pork belly and shoulder for artisanal sausages. The grinder attachment allows for customizable textures as well, utilizing coarse, medium, or fine grinding plates to suit various recipes, from a chunky, rustic bolognese sauce to a fine, delicate texture for traditional terrines or meatballs. Additionally, this metal meat grinder often doubles as a sausage stuffer, opening up an entirely new realm of homemade charcuterie and allowing you to control the exact sodium, seasoning, and casing ingredients in your diet. Complementing the mixing and grinding capabilities is the 1.5-liter blending jar, which turns this appliance into a true all-in-one kitchen hub. Having a dedicated blender on your counter takes up valuable real estate. By integrating a 1.5L blender jar directly onto the stand mixer's high-speed power outlet, the appliance eliminates the need for a separate heavy appliance. This capacity is perfect for preparing morning smoothies, nutritious vegetable juices, fresh purees, and cold-pressed style beverages for the entire family. Great cooking is ultimately about control, and the stand mixer offers highly refined control over your culinary preparations. Equipped with 6 distinct speed levels and an intuitive pulse function, this appliance ensures that you have the right speed for every conceivable recipe, from the most delicate folding processes to vigorous, high-speed aeration. Product link is given in the 31st link.